friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new Yamaha FZS25. So before going to start the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. So coming to the video, firstly here you can see the front part of the vehicle. All the aggressive designs of headlights are very nice on this vehicle. Coming to the projected setup, and LED DRS has been given on this vehicle, and also the DRLs are very attractive at the night view. And coming to this front suspension, comes with the telescopic shock absorbers. The front suspension is very nice performing. And coming to the tire profile of the front, comes with the 180/17 inches in the front tire, and wheel size comes with a 431.8 mm of wheel size, and alloy wheels are provided on this vehicle. With the disc size comes with the 282 mm of disc size. One of the best feature on this vehicle comes with the dual channel ABS at the best feature of this price segment, as very nice. So coming to the side profile, here you can see the petrol tank Yamaha badge has been given, and graphics on this vehicle is very nice, and the white treatment on this color is very nice on offer. Coming to the engine placement, displacement comes with the 249cc engine on this offer, with the 20.8 PS of power at 8000 rpm and 20.1 Newton meters of torque at 6000 rpm. Single cylinder air cooled engine. Air cooled engines are very nice on this offer. Long journeys easily we can travel on this vehicle with a comfortable touring ride position. And coming to the other side, it comes with the chain drive, self start only. Fuel injection has been given on this vehicle at this BS6, and wet multi disc has been given on these additional features, with a 5-speed manual transmission gearbox and 74 mm bore and 58 mm of stroke. And comparison ratio of this vehicle comes with a 9:8:1 massive and BS6 vehicle. So coming to the features of the vehicle, comes with the dual channel ABS at this price segment, and there are total 2 variants on offer at standard and deluxe. Top variant you get a dual channel ABS with a digital console on offer at the safety and feature sides. Coming to the chassis and suspension, comes with the diamond chassis cuts on this offer, and also with the sporty nagged bikes of this position. Very nice touring bike. It looked like a touring bike, and heavy competition in the market at this bike. And rear suspension comes with the 7-step adjustable mono suspension. And coming to the rear profile tire, comes with a 140/70 inches, and wheel size comes with a 431.8 mm as same as front. And tubeless tires has been provided at both the tires, with the alloy wheels are very nice and very attractive look of this design. And disc size comes with the rear at 220 mm of rear disc size. And coming to the dimensions of the vehicle, comes with the length of 1015 mm of length, breadth of 820 mm of breadth, and saddle height comes with a 795 mm of saddle height. Height of the vehicle comes with a 105 mm of height, and ground clearance of the vehicle is 160 mm of ground clearance. Massive enough. Wheelbase comes with a 1360 mm of wheelbase. Overall, the weight of the vehicle comes with a 154 kgs of the weight, and fuel tank capacity is 14 liters of fuel tank capacity on this offer. And coming to the rear profile, all the LED treatments of tail light and also the indicators, also the LEDs on offer. And side guard also very nice on this offer position. Compared to FZS and FZ25S, side guard is metal quality has been given compared to MT also. And coming to the other side, 12 volt 16 amps battery on this offer on this bike, and there are total 4 colors on offer. Blue and 2 whites has been given, and black color has been given on offer. And coming to the price segment of the vehicle, price segment is also decent enough, starting with a 1.57 lakhs on road Hyderabad, and top end goes to 1.81 lakhs on road Hyderabad. And coming to the handlebars of the left side, you get indicators, horn, high beam, low beam, and pass lights, which has been given to the left side handlebars. Handlebars are wide enough, and right side handlebars engine kill switch with the self start button has been given. Coming to the instrument cluster, sorry for not showing the instrument cluster. Now the battery is dead on this vehicle, sorry for that. And coming to the instrument cluster, there are a lot of information on this instrument cluster. LCD instrument cluster has been given, and RPM meter, speedometer, gear indication, low fuel indication, trip meters has been given, odometer on this instrument cluster. Basically coming to the undercowling of the graphics on the vehicle, comes with a very nice, attractive, and safety on the higher speeds, and also with the bumps and off-roading of this vehicle. It's not off-roading, but it's look like touring vehicle. So overall, the touring position of this bike is very nice. And coming to the competition in the market, there are a lot of competitions in the market of this bike, and the competition comes with the not in the engine placement, only the price segment is a competition in the market. There are total 4 bikes on offer with the competition. Comes with the Yamaha MT firstly, So MT-15 on this competition at the same company, also with the competition on the market, and Bajaj Pulsar NS200 and Bajaj Pulsar RS200 also on the competition in the market, and KTM Duke 250 also on the market at this price segments. There are total 4 bikes on competition, I have said already, and there are also additional features has been added to this vehicle, like a side stand, engine cutoff has been given on the safety features of this bike, and overall the aggressive designs and the colors and the graphics on the vehicles are very nice. I'm very much impressed of this bike, and overall the aggressive designs of the Yamaha has been launching of these new vehicles on this 2021. So overall this is the Yamaha FZS 25 exclusive in Motorbase channel. If the comments how the video has been come, and if you till not subscribe to Motorbase channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description, never forget, and bye bye guys, see you in the next video.